What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a maze game in Scratch. This video we're going to make the basics of the game. So we're going to make that the player can move up and down and left and right. And we're going to make that the player can't go through walls. First, we have to draw the player. Okay, make sprite and call it player. Okay, so just draw a rectangle. Okay, I'm gonna draw the player. Give me just 1 second to draw the player. And guys, by the way, the size does not matter. You can make it 700 by 700. You can make it 60 by 70. How you want it. The size does not matter. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video again. Okay guys, I drew the player. Wait, I'm gonna change this color to I'm gonna make it a little darker. Okay guys, it's good. Okay, in the code, we are just gonna do a when green flag clicked. Show, set size to 100. Okay, and go to X0 and Y0. Let's try that. Okay, as you can see, it goes to the center of this. Wait, why does it? Do I have it center? What? It's because. Sorry guys, sorry. Sorry, wait. Yeah. It's because of the camera. Yeah, now you can see it. Okay. So now we're gonna make that the player can move up and down, and left and right. Okay, so I'm gonna make it a little bigger, a little smaller. Okay, now I'm gonna change the color. We make it black. No, that's not. It doesn't look good. Okay, this is good. Okay. And we want to switch costume to costume 1. And put it forever if and then put 4 if then blocks in here. Then make 2 new blocks. One called move X, and add an input, call the input X, and run out screen refresh. Okay, and make another block, call it move Y, and add an input and name Y, and run out screen refresh. Okay, so what you want is here, if key, W key pressed, or key up arrow key pressed. Wait, up arrow key pressed, and just duplicate this. Wait, but here, S key and down key, arrow. Then here, put the if key A pressed, or left arrow key pressed. Maybe you don't have the things that I have in Scratch. That's because of Scratch add-ons. I'll maybe put a link in the description. Wait 1 moment, that's my sister. Okay guys, I told her to shut up and I'm back. Okay, put here if key D pressed, or key right arrow key pressed. Okay, now we're gonna use the custom blocks. Here, use the move X and change this to -3, and in here 3. Then move Y here 3, and in here -3. Okay, first, and now we want to draw the maze. Okay, one moment. Sorry guys. Wait. What? Why is it not working? One moment. Okay guys, so you want to paint the sprite? Oh, not again. Why is what? Okay guys, I'm back and I hope it's going to work. Wait, I'm gonna test. Okay guys, I just realized I can just do this. Yeah, I realized that right now, and I'm using Scratch like 1 year. Okay, so we're gonna draw the maze. Yeah, if you don't know what the maze is, yeah, I don't know what you can do, but okay, I just see you. Wait, not wait. Give me just a little time to draw the maze and fix this little problem. Okay, guys, I finally fixed that problem and I drew a maze. Okay, it's not that good, but yeah. Come on, guys. I bet you can make a better maze than me. And this maze, yeah, it's very bad. Call this level 1. Okay, and we're only going to put 2 blocks in here. When green flag clicked, go to x0, y0. Okay, as you can see, it goes to this. Wait, that doesn't look that nice. Wait, did I center it in here? One moment. No. Yeah, make sure everything is centered, even the player, or it would not look nice. Okay, and the player, yeah, look, it's centered into the corner. Okay. Okay, this still does not look that good. Why is this not working? Okay, finally, this is working. Still don't know why I have to make it like this, but okay, I'll do this. Cause I really don't know what. If I now center it into the corner, what happens? Huh? Wait. Alt. Huh. Oh, wait. Alt. What? Guys, just give me one moment. Okay, guys, I did it finally. What is this? Is that my sister again? Oh, I told her to shut up. Okay, whatever. Oh, I opened my backpack. Can just close it. Oh, wait, guys, one moment. Just give me one moment. Whatever. I'm not gonna. Okay. And here we're just going to do a change X by and the move X and the change Y. Bro, why is she screaming while I'm making a video? Okay, if touching. Okay, wait. First, let's test if we can move up, down, left, or right. Yeah, but we can go to raws. We're gonna fix that problem right now. So here, if touching maze, change X by 0 minus X. And then in the Y, we are just going to do, if touching maze, change Y by 0 minus 1. Let's try that. As you can see, we can't go through walls. Yeah, and that's everything I want to show today. And if you want the player can move faster, you can change these values. Gonna change. Okay, let's test it now. Yeah, he can move now faster. In the next video, we're gonna add more levels. Okay, and I see you next video. Bye.